Today we're going to be making this wavy vine macrame pattern. Hi, I'm Sheena Joy, and if macrame is your jam, then subscribe and hit the bell notifications. To start, we're going to be working with groups of 3 cords. To find the center of your cord, fold it in half, and then with that loop, we're going to be tying lark's head knots. Taking a loop and putting it over top of your branch, we're going to wrap it around and then pull the tail ends through. Once you have your set of 3 cords tied on, it's time to tie our double half hitches. Your first strand to the far left is going to be your lead cord, also known as your filler cord. We're going to be using this cord to tie all our double half hitches around it. So holding on to your lead cord, we're going to tie our first double half hitch around it. I'll show you that again in real time. So grabbing our next cord, we're going to take it and wrap it around our lead cord, loop it through, and then pull it taut. And then we're going to repeat that one more time to complete the double half hitch. Because we're trying to make a wavy shape pattern, make sure that your lead cord is straight down. I'm going to speed this up and continue with the rest of the cords. Okay, once you have all your double half hitches on there, we're going to grab our lead cord and then we're going to slide all our double half hitches up. By pushing it upwards, it cinches it, which gives it that wavy effect. Next, we're going to tie more double half hitches, but we're going to go in the opposite direction. So we're going to do just like we did before, only mirrored. Now, I'm not going to lie, this does get a little bit tricky. It's sometimes really awkward to work in the reverse. But once you do this pattern, you will have this mastered. As always, if I'm going too fast for you, feel free to go check out my knot tutorial playlist. Both the lark's head and the double half hitch is on there. Or if you're stubborn like me, you can always slow down this video. To slow down this video, just click on the 3 dots on the top right corner and adjust the speed. Okay, once you have this set done, make sure you cinch up those double half hitches to get that wavy effect. Okay, now we have to go right back in the other direction again. Okay, I'm gonna keep going here and speed it up, but stay tuned because there's more to this pattern. Ta-da! That trick never gets old. Okay, I went ahead and completed the 5 sets of 3 groups, and now I'm tying lark's head knots in between. To secure my lark's head knots, I like to tie a half hitch just to make sure that it's on there good. The half hitch is just like the double half hitch, only you're tying 1/2 of the knot. I think the extra cords in between gives it more interest. I think spiral knots would look really great in between as well. What do you think? If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't done so already. Also, here are 2 more videos I think you'll enjoy. I'll see you over there.